Welcome to Big Bear Trailers and Outdoor. This afternoon we've got a review for you on two trailers in one go if we can. So basically very similar. On our left we have the Debon C500 twin axle trailer. To the right of it we have the C500XL. Same basis, still both of them maximum gross weight 2,600. It's just the XL is that bit longer, and to be precise in the body it's 55 centimetres longer in the body. So on the left hand side we have the 500, which is 280 centimetres long internal by 166 wide, and on the right hand side the XL, which is 335 centimetres long by 166 wide. Just on entry you lose about 15 mil on each side, so about 30 mil in total just on that entry point, but I'll show you that as we go around. Both of them standard features, heavy duty auto lift jockey wheel with a push pull handle. Obviously the brakes are on both of them, 13 pin electrics. On the side, a nice side access door with locks top and bottom, obviously with a holder there. On the sides of these, we tend to always order them in the aluminium planking side panels. So it's a double skin with a cavity in the middle. So quite often we're asked if we can fit cargo rails and what have you to the inside. We do that by piercing the inner skin and into the cavity, but leave the outside skin completely intact. So twin axle on both of these models, a standard feature, wheel chocks, so nice and stable there. For braking, and this one on the right hand side we've got the 500 open with a side flapper or top flapper, open the door down. The rear ramp opens as a ramp and a barn door, so you get both features with that. And both of these models have the Pullman 2 suspension, which is the coil spring with a shock absorber. So with a lot of box trailers you get a lot of bounce and skipping around, particularly when they're empty. With these trailers they just sit down and really tow very nicely. With the XL, I'm just going to show you a couple of things on this one. Actually, one of the features to point out is a high-level brake light as well. So to open this trailer up, literally undo both latches, pull that down as a ramp, and then it pulls back up. So it just shows you on these models got 3 tie-down points down each side of the floor. If we then wanted to open this ramp as a barn door, you can close it up. Okay, I think we're a little bit tight on time. Oh no, we're doing okay, is the sign language. So let's just latch this side off. To now open this as a barn door, you just pull the plug down here, open that up, and you can now open that as a barn door. It's a really nice feature. You can see the two side by side now. Width is exactly the same, but just with the XL, you're just getting that more longer body. And to close this up now, literally just close the top flap, bring this door in, and that's all pretty much locked up, ready to go. But just one more feature I wanted to show you, which is people ask about security on these trailers. So we know we've got the side access door with the lock top and bottom. Kate zooms into here. Because this opens as a ramp and a barn door, they've drilled out that latch ready to take a padlock. So that's security on the rear door as well. So that's it for now on these two models. So Big Bear Trailers and Outdoor in Oundle, Northamptonshire. If we can help at all, or if you've got any questions, please do give us a call or drop us a message from the website, which is www.bigbearoutdoor.co.uk. Thanks very much. Bye now.